Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today being Wednesday, I took a trade on USD and I did not take a trade on Monday and Tuesday because the market wasn't clear to me. So on the daily, this is what I saw. Our price created this SMT with the previous candle high, and on GBP USD, it did not take that candle high. So going on to the 4-hour, I noticed that Euro USD price disrespected this bullish 4-hour fair value gap right here by creating 1-hour bearish fair value gap through it. This other 1-hour bearish fair value gap helped 1-hour bearish fair value gap 1, 2, and 3 right here. So I was anticipating price to reach for this low and as well as this external range liquidity right here. So after you traded into this 1-hour bearish fair value gap right here, I noticed that we created SMT at the highs. So I went down to the 5-minute chart and noticed that price, after tagging this 1-hour bearish fair value gap, is placed lower, creating a 5-minute bearish fair value gap, which is an entry model. So after we closed this candle right here, I placed my sell limit at the opening of this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. The reason why I placed my stop loss here is because I noticed that if I'm going to place my stop loss at this high right here, my TP will be below the external range liquidity. So I adjusted my target to be inside the contest area, the 1-hour bearish fair value gap and the 1-hour external range liquidity. So we had a tag and price displaced lower, close to my take profit, and then price displaced higher again after the new 1-hour candle opening, displaced higher, and I was tagged at break even. So this trade was a break even trade. We had this displacement, and the reason why I moved my stop loss to break even because we were so close to my target, to my TP. So I don't want price to come close to my TP then reverse and trade higher to my stop loss, making me lose a trade or making me lose money. So after you displace lower and we were close to my take profit, I adjusted my stop loss to break even, so as to, if price returns and tag my entry point, I will not lose money. So price, the new 1-hour candle opened, the 2 p.m. candle opened, and we had the displacement higher and tagged my break even. Hello guys, welcome once again, and today is Friday and I just hit take profit on a gold trade I took yesterday after price offered an opportunity, but because of I entered quite late, around 3 p.m, nearly close to New York zone, price consolidated for a while, but today price started pushing and eventually hitting take profit. So as you can see, gold, we are pretty much bullish on the monthly. Gold has been bullish for a very long time. So I considered it that I'll be only taking longs on gold because of the market structure of gold. And on the weekly, we have this weekly IRL to ERL here, and with SMT at the lows. So going on to the daily, I noticed that the price was consolidating because of this daily bearish fair value gap against us. Consolidated for a while, and price swept this low right here, and we had displacement breaking through this high right here. So after breaking through this high, then I noticed that we are currently out of the consolidation range. So when we created this daily bullish fair value gap right here, price tagged us, and the next day we created SMT, confirming that smart money is in play and smart money is about to move price higher. So going down to the 1 hour, because I only trade from daily to 1 hour to 5 minutes, but on the 1 hour, I noticed that we did not have any bullish fair value gap yesterday around New York coast and also need to trade away from. So without seeing a bullish fair value gap, I then considered this swing low to be a narrative for price to sweep and push higher. So after we swept this swing low on the 1 hour and price started displacing higher, I noticed that this 1 hour candle, the 3 p.m. candle, will have 15 minutes bullish fair value gap inside of it because of the displacement we had after sweeping the low, creating SMT. And the 15 minutes, we created this 15-minute bullish fair value gap right here. After you swept the low, created SMT, we created this 15-minute bullish fair value gap right here, and the CISD also after the displacement. So I then noticed that price was ready to push higher. So I then placed my buy limit at the open of the 15-minute bullish fair value gap and my stop loss at the candle bodies, because it had a long way. So if I'm going to place my stop loss at this low, I wouldn't get 2 hour at this external range liquidity to be 1.7 hour. So then I adjusted my stop loss to the candle body for me to be able to get a 2 hour out of this trade, and that's what we had. And price tagged me in at 4 p.m. and we started consolidating because we had already closed the New York kill zone. So price started consolidating, and as well as on today London session, price consolidated, and we took London low right here, and we started having some kind of displacement. So on New York OP, we had this massive, the 1 p.m. candle, we had this massive displacement higher, pushing me to take profit. So this trade was able to play out. This week has been better because I've already taken 2 trades only this week because the market condition wasn't good for me, and because we have been consolidating on DSY since Monday, we have been consolidating right here. Price isn't going anywhere, we are just consolidating, and same on EU and GU. We've just been consolidating, and all this pairs right here have no clear structure for me. It was on gold that I saw the clear structure and I took it, and I did not hesitate on the trade. I just saw what I wanted to see and I took the trade. So guys, this is the account I'm currently trading. It's a 5k account with 5%, and I've already taken 2 trades on this account, which was on Wednesday and on Thursday. Thursday was the gold trade I took, and we hit take profit on Friday, and the Euro USD trade I took on Wednesday, which was a break even. So this is my current net profits, just 114.88, and here I am up 2.43%. So this is how the account looks like. I'm hoping that I'll be able to pass this account and get a payout from this account as well. I'm not rushing it, I'm taking my time. So let's see how this account will end up, either a founded account or maybe a blown account, I don't know, but I'm sure to be a founded account.